How are Gymnema leaves transformed into fine powder used by nutraceutical and herbal industries around the world? From fresh leaves to export-grade powder, here is the complete industrial processing journey. Gymnema, widely known for its role in traditional herbal formulations, must undergo precise processing to preserve its natural, bioactive compounds and ensure global quality standards. Let's take a closer look at how this transformation happens. The process begins with the careful sourcing of Gymnema leaves from verified cultivation regions that follow responsible agricultural practices. Only mature, high-quality leaves are selected to maintain consistency in both processing and product quality. Once received, the leaves undergo systematic inspection. This stage includes visual quality assessment, removal of damaged or non-conforming leaves, initial cleaning to remove field debris. The selected leaves are then washed using multi-stage cleaning systems designed to remove soil particles, dust, and surface contaminants. This ensures the raw material is clean and safe for processing. After washing, the leaves are sorted and cut to prepare them for the drying stage. Proper preparation ensures uniform drying and efficient processing. The prepared leaves are dried under controlled temperature and airflow conditions. This step carefully reduces moisture while preserving the plant's natural phytochemicals and bioactive compounds. Once properly dried, the material is processed through food-grade grinding systems, producing a fine and consistent Gymnema leaf powder. The powder then passes through precision mesh sieving systems to achieve a uniform particle size and smooth texture suitable for formulation applications. To ensure product safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization treatment. This process eliminates microbial contaminants while maintaining the ingredient's natural nutritional integrity. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing, including heavy metal analysis, microbial safety testing, nutritional and phytochemical evaluation. These tests ensure the product meets international food and nutraceutical quality standards. After quality approval, the finished powder is transferred to the packing and storage area under hygienic conditions. We offer bulk supply, contract manufacturing, and private labeling options, with packaging available in pouches, canisters, capsules, and tablets for global markets. We are Medikonda Nutrients, delivering high-quality botanical for global nutraceutical and food industries.